Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use Zepp Flow voice commands on your AMAZFIT Active Max. So first, what you guys want to do is press the crown button. So this is the upper crown button. We want to click it, so press and hold it. Now we want to give out the command like turn off the brightness.
Did you mean to turn off auto brightness or set the screen brightness to the lowest level?
Set the screen brightness to the lowest level.
The screen brightness has been set to 0%.
And as you guys can see, it works just like that. Now we can barely see anything, and now what we can do is we can press this button and hold. Turn up my brightness.
I increased the screen brightness.
Now let me quickly do that manually because I didn't set to the max. As you guys can see, now our brightness was a bit increased. And we can use those commands, we can speak it in our natural language. Like we can even start an outdoor run just by using this command. We can go over and press it and hold it. Start outdoor run. And it got it. So now, as you guys can see, there's a positioning. We really do not want that. Now, as you guys can see, it won't measure anything because it's not on our wrist. But here we can easily pause it, finish it, and no, I do not want to save that. And that's basically it. This is how you guys can use the voice commands. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.